So what's happening to Cemex? What should you do if you're an investor? What should you do if you are a position trader? Check this video out. So hey guys, over the past few weeks, I've been getting questions about Cemex because Cemex tried to push up the past few weeks, but after that it started a large sell down. So a lot of people who bought much earlier, who are losing money, are asking what are they supposed to do with their investments. And there are people also who bought when they thought it would break out and reverse, but it did not actually stay at that particular level, and now they're losing money as well. There are people also who are investors who've bought during the IPO and they're still losing money. What should you do? What if you are in that scenario? Should you buy more? Should you sell and cut your losses? Or should you just stay in the sidelines if you have cash? What should you do, and what should be your narrative, and what should be your style into all of this? So that's what we're gonna drill down. Number one, if you're an investor, please remember this, and I've been consistent with the videos that I've been making regarding this. If you are an investor and the stock is not really in going the way you want it to be, number one is this. At the end of the day, if you're an investor, it's very important for you to look at the fundamentals. The fundamentals dictates everything. Everything you need to know is found also on how the company is doing. But here's the thing, fundamentally speaking, Cemex lost money last year. I repeat, Cemex lost money last year. In one quarter, they got a 600 million net loss. Do you want to invest in a company that's not making money? At the end of the day, the goal, the narrative is for you to buy companies that make sense. Not just you buying companies that make sense, but you buying companies that are doing well, that are positioned well, and that will allow you to make money in the future. So how can a company who's not earning money be a good investment? No matter how low the stock is, please remember, no matter how low the stock is, if it's not going anywhere, no matter how low the stock is, if it's not doing well, it's not worth going into, it's not worth investing into. The goal and the style for all of this is just for you to buy stocks that as an investment make sense. It's something that will have repetitive income, not just now, but in the future. So why am I saying this? If you're an investor, it's not worth buying. If you're an investor, you might want to think twice, and it might be better off that your money will be better off in another investment or in another stock. Now, if you're a position trader, again, the goal for position trading is basically following the trend. The goal for position trading is, if the trend is up, you ride it to its fullest extent. If the trend is down, you stay away. And here's the thing, Cemex over the past few months hasn't really gone anywhere. Cemex over the past few months still in a massive downtrend. Cemex over the past few months still bearish. I could put chart upon chart upon chart, but everything is saying that the stock, you being a position trader, is not worth getting into. So at the end of the day, to just recap everything, and I've made so many videos about this already, no matter how low the stock goes, if you're an investor and nothing changes fundamentally, it's not worth buying. If the stock still is in a downtrend and you are a position trader, the stock also is not worth buying. And that's the goal, that's the style. Everything that you need to do to help you make money in the stock market is all based on fundamentals and technical analysis. And that's how you can win without you following hype, without you following emotions, without you speculating. And for me, that's the game. You win every time you don't speculate. You win every time when you base it on fundamentals and technical analysis. So that's it for now. That's why I can live life at my own terms, because I follow a set strategy of rules that rids me of emotions. So this is Marvin Germo from Tokyo in cherry blossom season. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you.